Here's a math puzzle for you to solve. Find two positive whole numbers where the difference is 3 and the product is 88. So difference means one thing, take away the other. And product means one thing times another. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, whenever you are trying to satisfy two equations at once, think about simultaneous equations, because the idea behind simultaneous equations is that you have to find two numbers where you satisfy two equations at the same time. So when that occurs, the trick is to bury one equation inside another equation. So for example, let's turn this equation here. I'm trying to bury one equation inside the other equation. That's a trick behind simultaneous equations. So let's make x a subject. So add y to both sides. So x equals 3 plus y. So now bury this inside the x here. So this thing here will then become 3 plus y, which is our x here, so we're putting it into here. 3 plus y times y must come up to 88. Now, if you can satisfy this equation, then you will automatically satisfy both of these at the same time. So it really boils down to you trying to solve this. So now solving this, let's multiply this out. That would be 3y. This times this will be y squared, and then must equal 88. So now when you get to this stage, you should realize that this is a quadratic equation, because y squared, y, and a constant. So anytime you want to solve a quadratic equation, rearrange it. So hang on, y squared plus 3y, take away 88. Take away 88 must equal to 0. Now this is a formula you're familiar with. So now it's just a matter of solving this. Have a glance to see if you can factorize it. If you can't factorize it, then you have to use completing the square or use a quadratic formula. But as it turns out, this is easy to factorize this, because your biggest clue is this thing here. Two numbers multiplied together to give you 88. But you have to be able to create this 3 here. So it could be 88 times a 1, or it could be 11 times an 8. You see, with these two numbers, I can create a 3. So I know I can factorize this easily. So it would be this plus 11, and then y minus 8 equals 0. So from here, you can see that y must equal negative 11, or y equals positive 8. And right from the start of the video, we said two positive whole numbers. So this is useless. So let's use this one. If y is 8, then what must x be? Well, if you look at this this condition placed upon us right from the start, put this into the y, so that would be 8. What take away 8 equals 3. It turns out to be 11. So this thing here is 11. So now let's check it. The difference of 3, so that means one take away the other is 3. And then the product must be 88. Well, if you get the product, this times this does equal 88. So here's your answer. Okay.